Up in the streets we are jack. Yo, we are gonna have a party tonight. Just what? Tonight you feel like so class. Cool and intense. If you want to shoot at it, then must cool to love us with a tough stuff. But in the time, it's another rock club. Which I don't come in the live in the clutch. When I want sound, clear yourself with it. And everybody shout. Yeah. Listen, one don't put them with the gun. Shoot them up, Bruce, and the bag. Say 4 generations, generation. All right then, jump to Jesus, boss, hot cannon. I know the fact from 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. Oh, to the one that they know. Right back, we don't have how they should come. You go for yourself. You don't have to go. See? What is that? You go for yourself, celebration. All is a joy. Yeah. Mr. Moses, all I need I do the voice set now. All I need is the voice set. Go to the voice set now, go to the wheel. We are to the wheel. Yo, watch it that voice for the freestyle. Force it that freestyle. Watch it that voice. Force it that freestyle. Big up Bounty Killer, you know. See, Bounty was the most artist. Bounty was the most artist. See, Bounty was Fear the Shop. Elephant Man. Bravado. Vice Starter. And the list goes on and on. Only people for Jamaica. Only people for dancehall music and reggae music. I don't respect Bounty Killer for dancing in here. Who remember saying that Bounty Killer do one song? Yo, cross out there, so we don't want to hold. No, since the podcast go, choose the device, choose the flight down like a rock roll. Cross the goose, we don't want to hold. Yo, listen this. Yo, me got the booker, capital the booker. We won't be a sucker. Listen this. Tell them say no starting and passing it out and crossing. Listen this. Ha ha ha. We are for shot him. We want pass and shot him. Where you come from? In the ghetto. In the ghetto. Get bad man. Must be good them grab it. Bad man locks his hand load and snap it. Oh. Level. Never DJ or a song for the girl and for the rhythm. You can do it. How many? Gotta let the coffee get bruised. Gotta let it Shalom. Eh? No. One thing, you know. Let's say I read, but we got to young stuff, you know the damn thing there, yeah. Straight.
Coming on stage.
Yeah. You see me? I won't in this song. You got to damn self, because you know the thing going on, it's a joy, you see me? I want you to pray now. All I know about the devil, and put you first.
Yeah.
I know so nobody can stop you in your life. Because you have a clean heart and a pure mind. That's what the lion called them so. I know so nobody can stop you. No matter how they watch you and shock you. And your heart clean and you're running off the devil. Pull up the hand. Ready up. We want to start here behind them so now. We want to start here behind them so now. Then we want to sing with you and tell them so. Tell them so to go with their knees on end. Tell them so to go with their knees on end. I want you to know people that will pass. Tell them. Don't keep on my way to cast a sin. You got the much I got to take me now. Why do you want me to be talking to we go? Babylon, you have me, you wanna be let me know. What strength from friend to get sell out. All the excellent one come stretch me out. Tell them that God has a blessing. We came back, man.
What we gonna leave it?